Hello and welcome to the Surface 11 Search Box tutorial series, made especially for interior designers and architects like you to access the world's finest award-winning materials and surfaces. This is Tutorial 3, How to Use Search Results. After clicking on the Search Now button, the screen will show your current filters at the top here. So in our case, we chose ceramics and porcelain in the colors black and gray. Notice the number of products your search has yielded today. Let's say you'd like to eliminate grays from your search. Click on the search icon at the top right to go back to your original selections. Get into the color, deselect grays, click Done. And redo your search. As you can see, the number of items on your product list has been updated. As you scroll down the page, you'll see the first set of results with the product names. To view more results, click Show More. If you'd like to start over without navigating back to the home page, click on the search icon again. You can amend your search or click the refresh button at the top right to deselect all your filters at once and run a new search. That's it for Tutorial 3, How to Use Search Results.